Welcome to Allie in the Valley. I'm Allison Ball Kilmer. Allie in the Valley is a lifestyle blog about healthy, delicious food, all while staying on a budget. Homegrown cooking, down-to-earth living. Hi, Allison Ball Kilmer here of Allie in the Valley. Welcome back. Today, I want to do a couple staples on how to make certain things that everyone needs to know how to make. Guacamole. Everybody has a different version of guacamole, but I love guacamole. It's the perfect appetizer, snack, dip. I'm using 3 avocados, 2 limes, 2 tomatoes, a red onion. I usually use 3 cloves of garlic. Not everybody likes garlic, and I'm gonna use a jalapeno, cilantro, salt, pepper, hot sauce, and some people like the pomegranate seeds on top, some don't. Let's cut the avocados. Now, you know, avocados, you wanna get them so they're soft enough to crunch up, right? Next, I'm going to do 3 cloves of garlic. Tomato, diced tomato. I'm doing 2. Red onion. Now, not everybody likes red onion. Red onions are very strong, but you have to put them in guacamole. So you don't have to put the whole thing. You can do a half of a red onion if you think it's too much. So I'm gonna cut up a half first to see what I yield, because it's a half to a full red onion, really depending on how much you love red onion. Now, of course, we need a jalapeno. So I'm gonna take the middle center out with the jalapeno. I have to go over to the sink to do that because it's gonna get my eyes, but I'll do it right here. You don't wanna keep the middle part. That's where the hot seeds are, unless you want it really hot. And you know, I like really hot, but you know, not that hot. I could probably handle it. I don't know if the rest of my family could. All right, cilantro, lots of yummy cilantro. Juice of a lime, actually juice of 2 limes because I'm making a pretty big guacamole bowl. Salt and pepper. Pepper. And of course hot sauce, because it wouldn't be Allie in the Valley without hot sauce. You can use any kind of hot sauce you like. I have Cholula right here. That's what I'm using. So I finished my guacamole. Now I personally love chunky guacamole, and I think that everyone should know how to make guacamole because it's a staple. You have it for tacos, you could put it just as dip, it's just great. So it's super easy to make, always better to make it fresh. I mean, sometimes I buy it in the store too, but there's nothing like a yummy guacamole that you made homemade. So Here's my how-to. Fresh tortilla chips. Let's try it. That's really good. The lime, this is why I like lime. The acidity from the lime kicks it all up. So good, so yummy. Cilantro. Actually, this could be my whole lunch. Don't forget, if you like this recipe, hit the like button. And if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button so you can get weekly Allie in the Valley videos. You know where to get the recipe? www.allieinthevalley.com. Good.